Here's how to know when your team is ready to graduate from using Docker Compose to start using Kubernetes. The first is if you're deploying products or resources and you need more than just one server. It's high availability needs, or the products you're deploying are too many and you need more than one server. It's time to use Kubernetes. If scaling becomes painful, right? You always need to scale up your containers, right? You deploy with Docker Compose up and your servers come up and resources, maybe OOM killed, or the CPU resources become too much for just this container. You scale up to 2, you scale up to 10, you scale. It's time to start thinking of how you start getting into Kubernetes. Or deployment process is becoming more complex, like in agile teams that need to deploy frequently, many times a day. It's becoming complex. You need to be rolling back, and all those things are becoming risky to the product itself. It can become more and more complex as the product grows, as the team grows, right? It's time to use Kubernetes. Your networking needs between the products in your containers are becoming more complex for you to manage just with the containers and with the bridge network that Docker and containers offer you out the box. It's time to move to Kubernetes, where you have a CNI that can help you manage some more networking needs seamlessly instead of stressing your entire team. In Docker, when you're running a container, you can easily check what's going on in the container. It is becoming painful to always come back to the Docker log this, Docker log that, to find out what's going. You need a centralized observability system. You need to be able to see your logs without having to go into the container or your server to do what. If you have that problem, if observability is no longer a nice to have, it is more now a necessity. It's time to move to Kubernetes. Product growth is also a very good indicator. Product begins to grow, begins to split out into different microservices. Your entire ecosystem becomes more complex. You have more engineers. They need to bring on more engineers to manage that. It's time to move. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.